115, property management fees and services. Hello, I'm Eddie Freinich. I'm broker owner, Golden Gate Real Estate and Management. We're a full service property management company right here in Contra Costa County. And today's topic of discussion is property management fees and services. Well, all property management companies, as you know, have different fees and different services that are included in those fees or excluded in those fees. So remember, your fees may be just a small part of the monthly expenses that you're going to have to pay. So you also, of course, before you sign on the dotted line with the property management company, you want to check reviews, Google, Yelp, and so forth. I can't tell you exactly what other property management companies charge and what fees are included or excluded or just non-existent, but I can tell you a little bit about us. And to alleviate any confusion for our owners, we simply have an all-inclusive property management fees and services. Everything's included necessary to make sure that we get a qualified tenant in your property, that they're taking care of your property, and that your property is in good condition. Done. Everything's included. So, for example, of course, we include any repair issues. We'll get estimates, supervise repairs, and take care of that. Make sure the tenant's happy. We'll serve notices when necessary. We'll represent you in court if necessary, and so forth and so on. But excuse me. Also, we have videos, and videos are huge. So, no additional charge for this. But when your tenant, before the tenant moves in, we will go ahead and take a 15 or 20-minute video of your property, inside and out, all the beds, baths, kitchen appliances, drawers, model numbers, and so forth. When the tenant moves out, we'll take another video. We'll compare the two, before and after. Anything that isn't normal wear and tear, of course, will be charged to the tenant. What this does, it reduces repairs, simply because the tenant is not going to dispute anything, the condition before and after, because we have this very objective, factual evidence of the video. It also reduces liability issues as well. They're not going to claim that we didn't have smoke detectors or CO detectors or the right GFIs or electrical issues were there prior to. That's why we have the video. So you're going to keep yourself out of court as well. And again, all this is included in our fees. We also take a video of the property, and we use that for marketing purposes. So this will allow us to zoom in on all the great amenities that your property has, and that will allow your property to have a much lower vacancy and probably get more monthly rent for your property as well. Now, also remember that it's a long-term relationship with a property management company. It's usually 1 year or longer, and they will be making ongoing decisions on your behalf, oftentimes legal decisions. So make sure you're real comfortable with your property management company, and you can talk to them on a regular basis. You know who the employees are, and that they're very experienced, because you want to keep yourself out of court, obviously. Last but not least, reducing liability risk. As we know, California landlord-tenant law is heavily weighed toward helping out the tenant and not the landlord. So we're members of numerous local, state, and federal organizations, and we go ahead and attend meetings on a regular basis to make sure that you and your property are safe and free from any liability issues from your tenant. So hopefully that information helps you out a little bit about fees and services, and the importance of understanding what fees and what services more specifically are included or excluded in a property management company's fees. Okay, I'm Eddie Freinich with Golden Gate Real Estate Management. If you have any questions about this topic or any other management topic, feel free to give me a call. Thanks for watching. Okay, that's a wrap.